So this is what the product looks like from the inside, and this is the cable we got with this. It offers customizable. You can adjust anyhow according to your head's size. Looks really comfortable, and the material used in making this earpiece is so good. It feels so soft. And in this small box, there comes a lead which will be connecting our headphones to the smartphones. It is the user guide. Let's put this aside. This lead is quite long. According to the sticker, this part will go inside the headphones. There is a 3.5 mm jack. It is connected, and the other part will be going inside the smartphone. Pretty much that's it. Hello friends, now we're gonna test this product. So this part will go in here, the 3.5 mm jack. And the other part goes into your phone. Insert it here, and you can check it. It's connected. That's it.